Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Let me introduce for you how we are solving. Let me introduce for you how we are solving the questions in SAT. Okay, it's a little bit different, and I'm going to show you one of the methods that I'm working with. For the first question here, it says, what is the sum? Sum, I know that this is addition between these 3 terms and these 4 terms. As I notice that the last term here is negative, the first term of the second expression of polynomial is negative 11. So, and I don't have any like terms with absolute value. So the final answer should be negative 11. Or I can say that negative 11 and no like term, the answer cannot be A, cannot be D, cannot be C. Again, this is how I'm solving SAT. Yes, in some particular questions. Of course, not all the questions in SAT you can solve it that way. But the easy level of questions in SAT, you can solve it that way. Because you need to save time to the rest of the questions or the difficult one. What is the simplest form for number 3? What is the simplest form of x minus y minus c? We know that when you expand negative, you are going to change the sign. So it's negative y, and negative by negative is positive z. So first, I'm going to cancel b, I'm going to cancel d. Why? Because z is negative. And I put in my mind that the answer is one of 2 things. It's going to be A or C. And instead of my choices is 4 choices, I can decrease it to the 2 choices. So the percent of success is going to be 50% each one of them. So one of the methods that you cancel one of the 2 choices, that you are sure that the answer is not going to be one of them. Here I have x minus y. Look, I have x minus y. So in number 1, I don't have to add all of the terms, but if I wanted to make sure, here 3 plus 2 give me 5, and I used one of the terms. This is difficulty level 1, easy, that you should solve it like this. The same as number 3. So one of the method that you cancel 2 choices that you are sure that it's not going to be the right answer. Another example, question number 2 and question number 4. What is the result of when 4x power 3 plus 2x squared minus 6 subtracted from? What after subtracted from come first? So it's negative 3x squared minus x plus 2 minus 4x power 3 plus 2x squared minus 6. Then I'm going to rewrite it as we learned it before and change the sign of this bracket. So it's going to be negative, and negative by negative is going to be positive. Look here, positive 6 and positive 2 give me positive 8. And the only answer that have positive 8 is A. So sometimes when I'm solving the SAT, I need to write or rewrite only 2 steps of working. And then I will check the answers. Again, all what I have to do is to do 1 or 2 steps of working. I don't have to simplify all of this. I don't have to say that negative 3x squared with negative 2's give me negative 5x squared. I put down negative 4x power 3 and negative x. I'm going to put it down. No, only from the last term I can figure out the answer. Product means multiply. So I'm going to multiply 5x plus 2 and negative x plus 8. 5x by negative x is negative 5x squared. So I'm going to cancel it. Why? Because the first term is 5x, not negative. Then 5x times 8 is 40x. 2 by negative x is negative 2x. Positive 2 by positive 8 is positive 16. So I'm going to cancel D because the last term is negative 16. Positive 40 and negative 2 give me positive 38. Right? So I think I have. So positive 38x, as we can see that the right answer is A.